After you have paid for your CE credit and/or certificate, there is one more step that you must complete in order to obtain your credit and your certificate. First, you'll need to log in to your account on the Training Gateway. When you are logged in, your name will appear at the top right. We are now in the In Progress tab. So in this scenario, we just paid the CE and certificate fee for the implicit bias course. Now we need to access the certificate component of the course within Canvas. So click on Begin Course. We are now in the Canvas certificate component of the course. We will next need to click on Modules and then Certificate Form. You must complete this certificate form in order to receive your certificate of completion and CE. Click on Take the Survey. In the certificate form, make sure that you complete all questions. Be sure to put your first and last name and the types of continuing education credit that you are seeking. If you have a CHES ID number, please enter it here. If you do not have a CHES ID number, please do not put anything in this field. Then scroll to the bottom and click Submit Quiz. Now, in order to access your certificate, you must go back to the Training Gateway, where the course will be accessible under the Completed tab. So here we are at the Training Gateway. In order to return to the Completed tab, we need to go to the Student Dashboard. So to do that, we click on our name at the top right, then on Student Dashboard. So now in our Completed tab, we see the course that we first finished. Then after we paid, the system enrolled us in the certificate component of the course. Then we went into Canvas and completed the certificate form. When we submitted the certificate form, that triggered the system to generate the certificate. Now if you click on View, you will be able to see that certificate. You will now also be able to view your credit information within your transcript by clicking on the PDF transcript button. In this case, I have earned one Category 1 CHES credit for the Implicit Bias in Public Health Practice on-demand training. The one credit will appear on my transcript associated with the certificate component of this training. If you just earned CHES credit, that will be reported by us to NCHEC on a quarterly basis. If you just earned C and E credit, you will have to submit that on your own.